wait. I think کیا اب آپ کو میں کہوں بھابھی کو بلانا ہوگا شاید.
No, my lord, I'm trying to rush it. I'm conscious of the
ابھی آپ کو رش میری بات کرتے ہیں تو پھر آپ رش پہ نہ.
سلمان صاحب
ایک سیکنڈ.
trying to assist in the interpretation of the constitutional scheme. And my submission is, had I not been declared independent, there would have been no problem. As PTI, we already had a list filed. I would have been elected and I would have had the benefit of the list filed with additional names given, which the law allows me to give. But because I was treated as an independent, the situation has arisen, as my Lord Justice Athar Minallah is pointing out. Now, my Lord, coming to the principles involved in this, the principles will determine the interpretation of 51(6)(d) and E. And these principles I have very quickly stated. I'll spend no time at all. Kindly see page 4 of my note. Page 4 of my note, and I'll just rush through. This will take no time at all. I have referred to the case of Mian Nawaz Sharif versus President, PLD 93, Supreme Court 473, paragraph 17, page 674. In this paper book, it is at page 3, where they have said that representative form of government, exercise of the sovereignty vested by the Almighty in the people through chosen representatives, is a cardinal central feature of the Constitution, and all constitutional principles converge at this point, that representativeness is the heart, is the foundation of our constitutional scheme. So all constitutional provisions should be interpreted keeping this in view. I've placed that, page 674, page 3 of this paper book. So representative nature of our assembly is the guiding principle when interpreting any provision. Then I go on to the landmark judgment in the case of Tahir Sadiq versus Faisal Ali. This is 2024 SCMR 775, judgment by my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, and I very quickly point to pages 8 and 9 in this paper book, where again your lordships have held that the entire purpose of the Constitution is to create representative government. The very first 4 lines at page 8. In this democratic process, individuals exercise their right to vote, contributing to the formation of a representative government. And then this goes on over the next 2 pages to say this lies at the heart of the constitutional order. And therefore, whatever we do, this is the principle that we must be promoting. Then I similarly, in my note, I won't read, before your lordships is the case of District Bar Association Rawalpindi, PLD 2015, Supreme Court 401. At page 683 in this paper book, in particular at pages 12, 14 and 15, 14 pe agar nazar marne, your lordships will see, they have described democracy and the representative nature of our constitution as a salient feature, and they've also pointed to the principles of interpretation which must be applied when interpreting the constitution. This is at page 14, kindly see, an entire body of case law is referred to in order to derive the principle. Kindly see page 14, the first full paragraph that starts with 33. The Constitution, being a living organ for all times, is to be interpreted dynamically as a whole to give harmonious meaning to every article of the Constitution. And then they refer to a long list of cases, and then they go to tribe and Dorf and language from other jurisdictions, which has been adopted by our Supreme Court in PLD 2011, Supreme Court 407. And they say these are the principles which must apply to the interpretation of the Constitution. On the next page, page 15 again, I'll not read, they reiterate that the Objectives Resolution and the representativeness that is envisaged by the Objectives Resolution must be the basis for our interpretive efforts. Paragraph 60 and 61 again call the democratic parliamentary form of government to be a salient feature of the Constitution for the purposes of interpretation of any provision of the Constitution.
Do we need precedent for that?
Well, sometimes we say a literalist reading should be done, rules are very clear. No, every rule is embedded in a constitutional framework of principles, purposes, and machinery provisions. So all these principles, purposes, and outcomes have to be interpreted wherever possible to further that principle. The interpretation which denies these 86 any weight in the women's seats or the minority seats will make Parliament unrepresentative. So any interpretation that leads to Parliament being unrepresentative is to be avoided.
I don't think the only thing which will happen would be that they won't be your
No, my lord, it will be
women candidates
unrepresentative.
or your non-Muslim candidates.
No, my
That's the
lord.
only difference.
There will be candidates of parties that will be given seats in excess of the proportion that they hold in Parliament. Let me move on, sir. Mahmood Khan Achakzai's case. This is 97 Supreme Court 426, and I in particular refer to paragraph 56, 479 to 480.
You didn't join his party.
Gee, in this paper book, it is pages 17, 19,
You
and
didn't
20.
join his party.
My lord, I will consider that. Kindly see at page 20, the third line, salient features and basic characteristics of the objectives resolution are federalism, parliamentary democracy, and Islamic provisions. This is page 20 of this paper book. Then I very quickly go to Workers' Party. This is PLD 2012, Supreme Court 681. And here in this paper book, paragraph 37 at pages 22, 24, 25, which says that representativeness of the people is again at the heart of the constitutional order. Governance must be based on the principle of representation. Then on the next page, page 5, kindly see.
Workers' Party case also says that Election Commission of Pakistan, which every day we keep deriding.
Yes, my lord.
No, yes. No, there is sun to le na. It's become fashionable to deride the constitutional offices.
Yes.
I think we can certainly set aside the orders, but we should never deride the constitution. Wait. I think क्या अब आपको मैं कहूँ भाभी को बुलाना होगा शायद.
No, my lord, I'm trying to rush it. I'm conscious of the
अभी आपको रश मेरी बात करते हैं तो फिर आप रश पे ना.
सलमान साहब जो
एक सेकंड तो ये वर्कर्स पार्टी केस ये भी कहता है कि जी इलेक्शन का कराने का काम सारे चीजें इलेक्शन के मुतालिक इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान का है. इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान को हमने नहीं अपॉइंट किया है, आपने अपॉइंट किया है. ठीक है नहीं. गलतियां की ना, कभी कभी गलतियां करके भुगतना पड़ती है, जैसे कि आपने गलती की ये वाली.
मेरी गलती और इलेक्शन कमीशन की गलती में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है.
आप सब चीजें हमारे आपकी गलतियां फिर इसका सोल्यूशन हम ढूंढने. आपकी
अवाम के हक है ना, ये हक सलमान राजा या कमल शौजब
हमारे सामने कोई अवाम का नुमाइंदा नहीं.
सर, ये अवाम ही का हक है जो
आपको चुना अवाम ने कि उनके
हम खुश घर पे बैठे.
मुझे तो नहीं चुना ना, मुझे तो नहीं चुनने दिया गया.
आप सियासत शुरू कर देते.
मैं तो नहीं कह रहा चुना. मेरी गुजारिश सुनिए.
अच्छा साहब सिर्फ ये बता दें what should be this court's approach, because we have a history. 2018 there was one political party that was under the clouds. I'm आपकी expression use कर.
जी absolutely.
This time there's another political party which is perceived to be under the clouds.
Sir, I'll end
what
with
should
this.
be the approach
I will
of this court?
end by answering this question. Page 102 पे
just on a lighter note, वो CT scan कराने जाते हैं ना, गोली खिलाते हैं, बंदा रिलैक्स कर जाता है ना जरा.
मुझे ये डर है कि आप
हार्ट बीट भी स्लो हो जाती है, सब कुछ है, तो वो ट्राई करें नेक्स्ट टाइम when you're out.
नहीं, अगर मुझे आप रोकते नहीं तो मैं
on a lighter side. चले आप प्लीज बताइए.
I'm much enlightened and I'm feeling lighter.
अब आप एग्री कर रहे हैं जस्टिस थर्मिल्ला साहब से?
मैं उस पे एंड में आऊंगा. सर मुझे एक मिनट आने दें. पेज 102 पे जनाब देखिए, वर्कर्स पार्टी ही की जजमेंट मैंने 2 दफा इस पेपर बुक में रखी है. पहली बार फॉर दैट प्रिंसिपल, फॉर द सेकंड टाइम इन ऑर्डर टू पॉइंट टू व्हाट दिस कोर्ट हैज सेड अबाउट द इलेक्शन कमीशन. पेज 102 पे है पैराग्राफ 44. इसमें अगर इफ वी गो from the foot of the page about 8 lines in the past, ये placetum W के फौरन साथ ये देखिए, middle of the sentence, in the past, are my lords, my lady with me?
Yes.
In the past, the Election Commission has succumbed to external influence and failed to discharge its responsibilities successfully. The inadequacy of the Commission's effort in organizing and conducting